going like us now.
You say it, Phil? I did a live when it no blow, but I look at how high that is now. I don't think I got to post it. I don't think I got to post it. So today's the 9th of April 2021. The time now is 8:45 and last software just erupted. Yeah, she was rumbling like an hour now. It's just pushing up and up and up and up and up. Yeah, this is going to spread. This is really going to spread. This might reach as far as Barbados. So let's hope she blows, and let's hope it stops within a few hours. Yeah, she's still going over there. She's still going. Look at that. All in my hands shaking, like I'm excited and scared at the same time. Look at that. Look at that. My hands like shaking. She's still blowing. Still blowing. She's loud. She's even more louder than when she now blow. So. Wow. Guys, I don't know if you guys can really hear anything, but she's still rumbling. So imagine all of that have to settle down after, and we don't know how long. Look at that. I'm sure my friends in suffering St. Lucia could probably see it by now. She's still rumbling harder, Gary? You're staying or you're going? You're staying or you're going? Yeah. People stop calling my phone, please. Somebody tell Kenton I'm doing a live. I'm doing a live. Still rumbling. So Daddy is on his emergency radio now, relaying information. So this is our explosive eruption here. live from Rose Hall. She still blows. Look at that. Already close up the house. It's gonna block the sun in a little bit. Look at that. There's a few mountain range between my location and the volcano, so I am not feeling any vibrations or anything, but we might feel more after. Still rumbling. She's still blowing. And she's loud. If the breeze pick up, if the wind pick up, it might just blow it away. Shanique, tell Janelle I'm doing a live. Sorry about that, I'm back. Oh my gosh. So there's iron in the air. I just saw lightning. I think that's because there's iron in the air. And she's still rumbling. Wow, I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm on the stairs. Daddy, yeah? I'm out here. Okay. Still watching it? Who is that? Gianna and them. Tell Gianna, check me out on Facebook Live. You tell her? tell Jan check me out on Facebook. Jan. Jan. Daddy, I'm gonna hit.
Check out on Facebook.
Daddy, when that come over, heading inside, huh? Yeah, me daddy.
Yeah.
I hope all they don't store up on all the water storage. Cause when this come down,
Well, the cloud going up, the mountain going up high.
yeah. Daddy here over there.
You're hearing explosion like you're hearing the blast and thing over there.
She's behaving real violent now.
Yeah. Yeah, you're going like a ton.
You wanted to stay home to see this?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Daddy say he ain't going. I not gonna rush come up there now because people gonna be speeding on the road they running.
Yeah.
So
you're hearing it over there.
Daddy, how long this might go for?
Yeah?
How long this might go for?
I didn't even know you were gone for so long. I think you're a long time.
Question. How long does an eruption last? Does wow. You guys heard that? Yeah, tell mommy it's not safe to be on the road now. No, we leave what people panicking.
No, we're seeing it, we're watching it here.
Hey, long there. Alright guys, I'm gonna head inside a little bit. I'll update you as it goes along. Right, it's coming to you live from Rose Hall. A lot of people on the road rushing and speeding. Ollie, please be safe on the road. You guys just gonna get the asphalt, but the sounds is very violent over there. Lightning flashing, the ash coming across now. I'm gonna head inside now and recheck my stocks. Listen to that. Huh? Record. You gonna go head uptown now? Oh. Daddy say he ain't moving. So. Yeah, they're far, but when the ash fall back down. Yeah. I hope the breeze pick up though. Yeah, we'll have to put on mask and thing. Yeah. It's gonna get dark soon. You guys don't know how scary this is, huh? I was like, oh, I want to experience this. And now I'm so shaky. Oh my goodness. Ollie, I'm gonna head inside so they lock off the water system. I have water stored anyways. My hands are shaking so bad. You guys don't expect me to stay out here all day recording, right? Glenn. Shady and studying you. They're gonna get dark now, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna get dark up.
Where were you in 17? Call daddy inside, daddy.
What's it? You must call me shady fast. Mr. Boy, now what song? Go get feel anything with it. Eh? You have to spend money to one guy. Why you spending it really sick around? I'm going to tell you, yeah, bad. Shady.
Early boy, panic and gone leave you.
And I was writing this.
Errol. She's blowing really long. Oh my goodness. So guys, I'm gonna be stuck in Leeward. I'm gonna be stuck in Leeward because it's not gonna be safe to drive on the roads after the ash settles. Yeah. Nobody answered my question. People like me just get so excited and can't wait for like things to happen, and then when it happens, it's so scary. Just hope and pray that I survive this. So I was gonna come off the live. I'm gonna come off the live now, everybody. Alright, I have to go get inside. It's breezy, that's a good thing. It's breezy. So I'm gonna come off now, everybody. So,
What's the whole yesterday, so? Me tell us already whole yesterday.